Welcome to the February 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Burlap. Let's take a closer look at this month's product. Here is a closer look at the Burlap Cling Stamp. This stamp features a unique textured burlap design that's perfect for adding a rustic touch to your cards and other paper crafts. The stamp measures 6 by 6 inches with a printed design of approximately 5 7/8 inch by 5 7/8 inch. Let's stamp this out and make a simple but elegant card. Start with an A2 sized piece of cardstock in the color sand. Place your cardstock in the middle of your stamping platform. Then get out your Espresso Hero Hues core ink. Add a generous amount of ink to your cling stamp. Press and twist to ensure that you get solid coverage with your ink. Once you've inked your stamp, flip the plate over and press down. Be sure to apply good solid pressure on all areas of the stamp. Lift your plate and you'll have a fun burlap pattern. To enhance the vintage look, bring back in your espresso core ink and with your blending brush, blend the ink from around the edges in towards the center of your card panel. Once happy, set it aside to dry. This is the February 2025 clear set and dies of the month called Lovely Flowers. Take the largest of the images from the stamp set and stamp it out in intensified black ink. Stamp the ink onto deluxe smooth white cardstock. Color your image with your favorite alcohol markers and then use the coordinating die to cut it out. Stamp the Spring is in the Air sentiment from the same stamp set in intensified black ink. Die cut your sentiment using the coordinating die, then cut down your background using the third from largest oval die. Set the center aside to use for a different card and add glue to the back of your stamped piece. Adhere your piece to another A2 size piece of cardstock, this time in white. Add foam tape to the back of your colored image, then remove the release tape and pop it up on the center of your background. Add foam tape to the sides and glue to the center of the back of your sentiment. Then pop it over the center of your colored image. Add glue to the back of your completed card panel and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. For added sparkle, add a few sequins from the Champagne Sequin Mix. Here is our finished simple but elegant card. Thank you so much for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.